Hey y'all, it's Diane with Y'all Craft One and my old barn door, and I have a few books that I need to add to the booth for Miss Yolanda Carranza. She's got some super cute journals here. She sent me 3, and so we'll start with this one. I think this one's super cute. It's an Easter one or spring one, and then she said she has more spring ones that she's sending me, so keep an eye out for those. So let's just go ahead and do a flip through of these beauties and see what we have. So this one looks like a recipe journal. It's tied with this sweet little ribbon. I love this ribbon. That would be cute on a farm journal too. So she's got lace on the spine. I love the paper pack that she's used in this. I made a bunch of big journals from this paper pack, and everybody loved them, and I just absolutely love this paper. So got some pretty vintage laces and doilies. Okay, here's our information sheet. Okay, this one's called Vintage Recipes. It's 10 by 7. It has 88 pages, made with a composition book and filled with vintage looking ephemera. The trims on the front cover are vintage, along with vintage recipe cards with a ribbon tie. Okay, so that is the information on this one. So we'll go ahead and open her up. So in this front pocket here, super cute. Again, I'm loving this paper pack. I haven't seen it in a while. I don't think they make it anymore, so I'm excited about this. So there's some recipe cards tucked into that front pocket. I love the little ruffle here that she's put. And then she's got some distressed pages with some stickers. Little belly band. No, actually that's a pocket. Super cute. And you have a couple of index cards and a little notepad piece. I love this pocket. This is adorable. I like the way she did it with the paper and then like a belly band. Super cute. Again, I always love Yolanda's journals that she sends me. Okay, so you've got several pieces here, and it looks like she's put 2 pages together so that it gives it a little more stability. Cute little cluster here on the pocket, and in the pocket you have a flash card and a couple of recipe cards. Again, she used the notebook for the pocket, or the notebook paper, I guess I should say. Cute little window there. Love this pocket. She's got a couple of lined flashcards. Oh, these are really cool flashcards. I haven't seen any like this. Super cute, Yolanda. And then this is a pocket here. Oh, I love these vintage playing cards. These are awesome. Let me see. Look at how stinking cute these are. I love this, like the 50s and 60s vibe. So adorable. And then you got a couple of money rolls, I think is what they're called. Just drew a complete blank. Super cute little coaster there. It's got like again, the 50s or 60s vibe to it. Cute little flip up here. It's an envelope and there's some goodies in there. A little plain card and a couple of index cards that she's distressed. I love the handwritten recipe she has there. A little pocket here, and you have, oh, you've got several of these pretty paper doilies in that pocket, and then some cute little journaling cards with recipes, or not recipes, these are like vintage ads, which y'all know I'm obsessed with. I love vintage ads. Super cute. She's got some tabs, more distressed pages. I love how she distressed all the pages. That's really neat. That takes a lot of time. Have a pocket here and a couple of goodies in there. How cute is this? She sent me a big binder full of stationery and vintage playing cards because she knows how much I love them, and I'm still using them. Like, I use that binder for organization for all of my playing cards now. So thank you for that, Yolanda. It's been well used. Couple of recipe cards in this pocket, and then Oh, I love this. And I love that it's handwritten, like they copied somebody's handwriting. So that's a recipe there. Well, fumble fingers. So I know that I was, I didn't do any videos last week, guys. I was planning on it, but had something that came up, family emergency, and I had to take care of it. So, sorry for not getting anything out there for y'all, but I know y'all understand, and I appreciate you being patient with me. Oh, this is sweet. I love, love, love this ribbon that she's put on here. I love that. And that's cute, what she did with that. She used one of the money rolls to make a tab, a page tab up there. Super cute, Yolanda. Sweet little belly band, again, out of this gorgeous ribbon. I love that. And a couple of, well, a journaling card and a tag from the paper pack. It's a sweet, sweet paper pack. I love it. Or it's a paper pad, I guess you would call it, because it's not actually a pack. Okay, this is a flip out, and you have recipe card in there. This is a really neat. This would be a good Mother's Day present to your mom. If she likes to cook, it would be a really good Mother's Day present. A couple of recipe cards there. Some of the older, these are from Better Homes and Gardens. It looks like the copyright on those are 1987. Nice vintage little cards. Oh, I love this bridge scorecard. That's very pretty. And then a couple of memo pad sheets and a flash card. I love how she's added the purple in here. It just brightens it up. And then you have more distressed pages. And she's got stickers and decorations and embellishments on a lot of the distressed pages. Little pocket here with a couple of tags. Another one of those vintage playing cards. And a flash card. There we go. And then in the very back pocket, you have, I love these. These make cute little journals too. This one's from 1987. Those are so fun. So this one is called Vintage Recipes, and that's how you'll find it in the shop. Next up, we have this sweet little Easter one. I love, love, love this. I don't know if this was a book page cover or maybe a sign. I'm not sure, but I'm absolutely in love with this. It's gorgeous, and I love how she's put the little florally type ribbon around it. I'm sure there's a name for it. I just don't know what it is. And then I love what she's used on the spine here. Super cute. And then that's the back of it with the bunny paper. And that's the side view. Make sure I'm in frame. Okay. Super, super cute little journal here. I'm loving this. Okay, so this one's called Easter Greetings. Oh, it's a binder. It's 9.5 by 8.5. It has 80 pages, some with pockets. It's an altered photo album, and the pages with the sewn collage papers are the photo sleeves. She's just given some information, but I'll leave this in here for whoever gets the journal so you can read how she made the journal, because that's kind of what she's doing, is telling you kind of how she made the journal. So super cute little bunny pocket here. Hopefully y'all can see okay. She's got this sweet vintage ribbon all the way around the journal. And then let's see what's in the pocket. Oh my goodness. All kinds of goodies, y'all. You have a bridge scorecard, some stitch tags. These are quilted and I love them. Yolanda does a great job adding lots of quilted things in her journals. Oh, and these are cute. They're little alphabet cutouts in the shape of a tag. How adorable are these? Love those. So that's what's in the bunny pocket. I just think this little bunny pocket is so stinking cute with the little ears. Oh my goodness. Super sweet now. Okay, so this is a quilted page. You have sweet little This looks like vintage grid paper. That folds out. I love this. Oh, you're making me want to make a binder journal, which I have in my brain anyway. I was going to make one soon. Love this. This is super cute. So now you've inspired me to hurry up and get to it. This little pocket has, I love how she's stitched these pages. Quilted tag. This is a little notebook with several pages and a neat little card. I don't know if you can tell, but it feels like it's got some texture to it. Very cute. That flips out, a little bird page for spring. Another one of those quilted tags and a little notebook there. This looks like vintage paper, and it's got a little bit of a texture to it. I absolutely love this paper with the green crackle. Yum. Super cute with the little blocks. I'm going to try and go a little bit faster because we still got a whole other journal to show you. Love this. I don't know where she got this ribbon, but it is so sweet. This folds all the way out for some ledger paper. Okay, this is, oh, I love how she made the belly band out of the flashcard. And then you have a couple of greeting cards that are blank. How pretty are those? This one I'm in love with. I love this image. So pretty. Super cute little Easter page there. Love that. And then you have a pocket here. I love these quilted pieces. They are so pretty. That takes a lot of time to do those. Okay, and then you've got a couple of plan pages for like meals or, oh no, it's like a school planner. How fun is that? Love these quilted pages. Some sweet little Easter goodies tucked into this little pocket. Love this page. I love these old vintage recipe pages that have these colors because you know they're like 70s-ish. Okay, I think that is, let me see. Okay, maybe it's just attached there. These are little pockets with goodies in them. So, and I think you pull from the bottom out of the pockets. I'm not going to take them out because I'll be fumbling with those and probably mess something up. Super cute little pocket here. Oh, look at the ice cream. And it's laminated. How cool is that? I love those big tags. They give you lots of room to journal, or you could even write a recipe on those if you wanted to. Super cute little Easter stickers. It's a whole sticker sheet. And then a workbook page. It folds out, so it gives you more room for journaling. This is so adorable, Yolanda. Oh, there's some with the purple. Yum. How fun is this little journal? Oh my goodness, you could do so much with this little journal. Okay, so this one is called Easter Greetings, and that's how you'll find it in the shop. Okay, and this last one, she says she made it into like a little kit to go with the journal. So inside this folder, you have a ton of goodies to play with in your journal. Oh my goodness, I'm loving this ribbon. I'm not going to go through every little piece, but she's giving you lots of fun stuff. Look at how stinking cute that is. Lots and lots of fun stuff in this little envelope or folder. Oh, you get one of these vintage, oh, what are they called? Viewfinder. That's what it is. Some sweet little flowers. Ooh, look, you get some of that ribbon. Jelly. Some sweet little notepad pieces. Some vintage pieces. This looks like some vintage ledgers. So all kinds of fun little goodies to play with in your journal. Oh, look at those. I think those are Dick and Jane pages. So fun. Little sacks. Lots and lots of little paper pieces. All kinds of fun stuff. Oh my goodness, you get some vintage wallpaper. Some ledger, some vintage book pages. Oh, this is going to be so much fun for whoever gets this. You can literally make it your own. And there's so many goodies stuffed in this little folder. Okay, so I'm going to set this to the side and we'll bring in the journal. Super, super sweet. I love, love, love this. I don't know how you did this, Yolanda, but that is so pretty. And I love the little peach flowers that she's kind of put in the middle. Then she's got the pretty peachy pink colored lace all around the outside and inside edge of the journal to give it a really fluffy, feminine look. Love the vintage crocheted like doily piece on the spine, and then that's the back. Okay, let's see. Pink and Peach Roses is the name of this. It's 8.5 by 8.5, and it's a journal kit that she thought would be fun to fill in your own way. She's embellished plenty of the papers, embellishments, trim and ribbons, and lots of other crafty goodies for you to fill this journal. Have a great time with this book. Happy crafting, hugs, Yolanda. I love that. Okay, so let's take a peek. Love, love, love the yellow polka dots. Let me put this back on here so I don't forget. Oh, I love this. I love the papers that she's used in here. Let me scoot it over just a little. Super fun. And so she's just giving you lots and lots of papers in here, and then all of the goodies and the vintage papers from the file folder. And look at these. She has even stuffed these in here with lots and lots of goodies. I'm telling you, whoever gets this journal, oh my goodness, look at these beautiful doilies and laces that she's put in here. I love her stitched pieces here. Y'all, whoever gets this, look at that. I love that. Yeah, whoever gets this is going to have a whole lot of fun. You get a whole lot of goodies in here to play with. Look at this. Lots and lots of goodies tucked down in there. So stinking cute. I'm not taking all of these out to show y'all because it would just take me forever. But oh my goodness, I'm super excited about this for whoever gets it. Okay, so that's that one. So we'll just list this as Pink and Peach Roses kit. So that's how you'll find it in the shop. So run over and grab your favorite one. Don't forget to like and subscribe for me if you will, and leave any comments or questions that you have in the comment box below. And I hope y'all have a great day. Big hugs.